Hey guys, Chief here. Today's video upload is a unboxing video. So first one for me, as you'll know, I have improved the quality of video. I did use my tablet to do that one. It didn't come out so great. Same as the audio quality. So I have invested in a little mic. Hopefully it's a lot better. So increase the production value of what I'm trying to achieve. But the unboxing video is of the Rog Strix 850 watt platinum power supply. Did need to upgrade mine. Mine just had a 750 watt thermal take in there. So it was a bit of a need one because it was one of those rat's nests. The one I went for is a modular one, $249. I purchased it for today when today's a Saturday, yeah. So from Computer Alliance, so good little bargain there, cheapest I could find it. Yeah, so I'll just go through in the unboxing, guys. You'll see me talk about obviously the cables that are in there, nothing too fancy, but just give you guys a good look at it. I have seen some of the other videos on YouTube. One's about a white one, the rest are all 1,000. So if you are looking for the 850 watt, this will give you a bit of an idea. I'll just show you the cables and what comes in the box. So hope you guys enjoy it. Leave any comments in the comment section and I'll answer them. And yeah, hit like and subscribe. Thanks. Right, so here we go, guys. As I mentioned in the intro, bit of an unboxing of the Rog Strix 850 watt platinum power supply. Just doing a little bit of upgrade on my gaming PC here. I just had a cheapy 750 watt thermal take in there. ATX 3.1 compatible, 10-year warranty, and obviously it's a platinum supply. So, go through quickly. What do you get in the box? Some of the specs there, as we can see. Right, Rog Strix 850p gaming. ATX 12 volts. So the measurements are 160 millimeters by 150 millimeters by 86 millimeters. So pretty standard stuff. As you can see, the DC output voltages there, loads and total outputs. The cables come with motherboard power cable, CPU power cables, PCI connectors, 3 of these, 2 of the CPUs, 6 SATA connectors, which is great, 3 peripheral connectors, and 116 PCIe connector. Have a quick look over in the back. So let me just zoom out a bit there for you guys. So as you can see here, ROG heat sinks, GN MOSFETs. Now, this one has the intelligent volt stabilizer for those graphics cards that are running the 12 volt plug. So it has tunes voltage regulation, ensuring stable power delivery even during intense gaming sessions and overclocking, experiencing smoother gameplay and dominate the competition without performance hiccups. And obviously DIY friendly CPU power cables, so easy to use. All right, let's get into it. So, flip her over. All right, open her up. And greeting us, we have some Strix ROG stickers. I believe they're used, you can customize the actual PSU. You'll see there, you can put them over them. They go into the embossing of the Strix logo. So if you can see your PSU in your power supply, in your PC, you'll be able to customize a little bit. You've got a red, sort of purpley, pinkish, and a gold. So in our bag, some instructions about making sure cables are seated properly. Some fabric zip ties, more zip ties, great. And our manual. All right, so there is the PSU. Here's the bag of cables, which I'll go through shortly. Take them out, I'll take this out. Right. Let me just move that to the side. All right, here she is. So, your Strix PSU, as I said, you'll be able to customize those for whatever color you want to go, I believe. So, nice black and silver aesthetic, which I really do like. Over on the back there, so there's our modular inputs here, which I'll go through in a sec. Just have a quick look around. On the back there, 0 decibel fan mode, power, and an on-off switch. On this side, it's really cool. So in here, where it's 3D engraved, there's like a little chrome plate there, as you can see, which I think is really, really cool as well. So the modular, as you'll see here. So there's our CPU PCIe connections all down the bottom here. Over here for our peripheral SATAs and our Molexes, for our motherboard, and also, as I mentioned as well, our 12 volt 2x6 with the regulator as well for that new system there to make sure you get smooth power during your sessions with your GPU. So yeah, going to put this in at some very shortly. So once I do, guys, I'll put a video up of that going in. So I'll go through the cables over here. So power cable. Those for in America have that. I'm in Australia, so this is the one I need. So if I ever decide to move over America, I'm sorted. Now, cool thing with ROG products, like when I got the controller and the mouse, which I'll do a video on those if you want one. They come with those little nifty bags, which I found quite helpful for other things that I want to use them for. So I'll rip this open. Get all our cables out. All right. So there's our CPU cables, plus highlighted grey, all labelled. So for those guys who are doing PC builds for the first time or putting a power supply, well labelled, very clear. So side for the PSU, for your CPU power, and they're all braided as well. Plastics type of braid, really nifty, really cool. I like that. So here we have one of your PCI cables. All right, so as you got the 6-pin plus 2-pin, so that's what that one is. Our motherboard cable. All right, PSU, and there's for our motherboard, our ATX motherboard. SATA cable we have here. Another SATA cable, I believe. More SATA cables. Over here we have another PCIe cable. Another PCIe cable, as you can see there. Really cool. Really nice cables, feel really good too. They don't feel, I know with some power supplies feel real stiff when you're putting them in, especially like, you know, how they got to go over the corners for the CPU and the motherboard. But these actually feel really nice. I sort of did this video as well because I've seen a couple of videos on the Rog Strix, and yeah, they don't, well, I felt it never gave you a really good look at them. That's there. And here is, as I mentioned, for like I believe it's for the 5090s, I believe also, because I have an AMD card, the Sapphire Nitro, so the 12 volt power supply. As you can see there, that goes into your PSU with the regulator there, plugs in like that, and obviously the 12 volt there, going into 600 watts there, going into our GPU. So all in all, guys, that's everything you come with it. So if you're looking to get one, okay, so there's everything that it comes with. I'll lay that out there so you can all see. And yeah, so $249 I picked this up for from Computer Alliance here in Brisbane. I don't really feel you can't go wrong with asus ROG gear. I know you pay that bit of a premium obviously for the name as well, but you know, I got the little bit of the funds to sort of go that little bit extra because I like the design of it as well, because I do want to have a case eventually that shows off the power supply. But yeah, that's it, guys. If you like the video, leave a comment, like, subscribe if you want. I will be doing another unboxing video shortly, which will be of a XFX Mercury 9070 XT GPU. So in my initial video, I showed you my PC and I had a XFS Swift. Now I've taken that card out because I'm going to put it into another PC. And I am a big fan of the 9070 XTs. So yeah, I went the Mercury because it is, from everything I've looked into, one of the best 9070 XTs. I know the Sapphire Nitro, I was between the Red Devil really and the Mercury. The Nitro, because I just want to have a complete, mainly in black interior. I wasn't a fan of the sort of brushed grey sort of tan look of it, but once again, it is still a good card, not rating of performance. I nearly went the Red Devil, but the only thing that I really didn't go with was because of the, I know on the end of the Red Devil there is a RGB like red stone there and it doesn't change. So I went with the XFS because it's got the light bar on the side, and I'll be doing an unboxing video of that later and uploading it a bit later. But yeah, thanks for that, guys. Any questions, leave them in the comments. As I said, like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.